Let's get into a quick comparison of the 2019 Air Jordan 4 Breds and the 2020 Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. What makes the Bred Reimagined different from the 2019 Breds? First, the Bred Reimagined features enhanced padding and a more pronounced curve in comparison to its thinner profile of the 2019 version. This iteration reveals more of the red trim when viewed from the front. When it comes to the collar of the Bred Reimagined, it returns to its original 89 shape, sitting slightly higher than the 2019 release. Uppers and soles. The latest iteration of the Jordan 4 Bred sets itself apart from its 2019 counterpart with subtle but yet noticeable differences, starting with the toe. This year's model opts for a smoother slope reminiscent of the original design, contrasting with the upward angle of its predecessor. Additionally, the stitching beneath the wings of the shoe is tighter and positioned slightly higher in the 2024 version. This version pays homage to the OG 1989 pair. We also have improved alignment of the Nike Air logo on the heel and a sleeker black midsole paint on the Bred Reimagined version. In my humble opinion, the 2024 Bred Reimagined is 10 times better than the Air Jordan 4 Bred from 2019. The colors are more vibrant on the 2024 edition. The leather is way better than the nubuck. The leather is also more premium than the nubuck in my opinion. The 2024 Bred Reimagined is not only slimmer, but the shape is just 10 times better. I can't really articulate what it is, but it's like it's smoother, it's flatter, it's more pronounced. They look way better on feet as well. And also, the one thing I hate with the 2019 Jordan 4 Bred, or just the original construction of the Bred in general, is that the nubuck constantly gets covered in lint. I actually had to lint roll this shoe right before this video. With the Bred edition, you'll never have to lint roll the shoe again. The one issue I have is that my 2019 pair, as you can see, is used. I wear it all the time. But my 2024 version is brand new. Do I put the 2019 pair on ice and wear the Reimagined? Should I have both of these shoes worn, or should I just wear the 2019 pair until they die and then bring out the Bred Reimagined far in the future? I don't know, because these are going to last for a very long time. I don't know, but the 2024 version, it just does something to me, man. It's just way better. That's all I can really say. But also, even the packaging is different. Instead of adhering to the conventional shoebox design linked with the Air Jordan 4 Bred, the iconic cement gray accents are now featured on the lid of the 2024 pair instead of on the bottom. The red Jumpman logo and the white flight script remain positioned at the top of the lid, while the box incorporates the black color from the original lid on the bottom. Lastly, the latest release introduces a black Nike Air hang tag, departing from the original orange color that we usually get.